Hello dear friends, this is Vasilis from forexingreece.com, and I'm going to show you how to install the support resistance indicator that I use for my trading. I did some modifications to the indicator so that you don't have to change anything on the indicator. So all you have to do is simply, after installing it on MetaTrader, to simply drag and drop it on your chart. So this is a daily chart. This indicator is going to show you major support resistance levels for the daily and the weekly. So what I do is I simply select and drag the indicator on my chart. There is nothing to do here. We do not need to change those parameters. We simply press OK, and then the indicator is on your chart. So what you will notice here is that we have minor support resistance levels. So are the smaller dots, as you can see here and here, so pinkish and bluish, and those are the daily support resistance levels, and the red and blue ones, the thicker ones, are the weekly support resistance levels. So what the indicator is doing is locating a fractal. So this is a fractal point. You can see that it is preceded by two lower highs and succeeded by two lower highs, and starts drawing this line until a new fractal is found. So you can see here it started. As soon as a new fractal was found, we had a new one. So as you can see here, if we go from the beginning, you can see where this fractal ends, then another one starts, then another one starts, then goes down, and this indicates a downtrend. If we have a series of down fractals, then we know that we are in a downtrend. And now that we have a series of fractals that go higher, we know that we have a change in the trend. And the same goes for this, for the weekly. This point here, it is a fractal weekly. So if I change my chart to the weekly, you can see here that whenever we see a line, that means that we had a weekly fractal. That means that this higher high on the weekly chart was preceded and succeeded by lower highs. And same for the lower lows. When we have a lower low that is preceded and succeeded by two higher lows, then we have a new fractal created, and this is how the horizontal lines for the weekly are created. Of course, when we move to the weekly chart, the daily fractals are not visible anymore, and if we go back to the daily, then the daily fractals appear again, but also we have the weekly fractals appearing as well. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, my site is www.forexingreece.com. Do not hesitate to contact me.